Good morning. I have no time for a live, but we're going to do just a quick get ready with me. And then I'm going to share just a couple of specials so you know what's going on, so you can save some money. I have a couple of $10 coupons with Beauty Society. So if you want to take advantage of those, just comment 10 and I will send you a coupon. We're going to just do my eyes and then I'll be right back. Eyes are done. All right, now we're going to go in with the Youth BB Cream with Pomifera and also this is their powder to cream conceal. It is on sale. When you purchase the BB cream, you're going to be able to snag this at half price. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in action. So I love the BB cream. It's nice and sheer. It has SPF 30 in it, but I like to add just a little bit of cream makeup on top for a little extra coverage. It helps the color stay all day. So I like to just take a little bit of the Timeless Face Sticks with Beauty Society. This is shade Alluring. The BB cream was shade 3 because I'm a little bit darker for summer, even though my neck is still pasty white. And then we're just gonna dab a little bit of this on here. What this does is it just helps give it a little bit more coverage, helps it last throughout the day. I'm just going to take a little blendy brush and pat to blend that in, and it blends nicely, and it just gives you a little bit more coverage, especially around the nose and the cheeks if you've got any redness. And then I love this look. Now we're going to take our conceal, and I got this really nice concealer brush if I can find it. Here we go. I like to apply this with the brush. I've tried it both ways with the brush and my fingers. I got this brush from a makeup artist that also sells Beauty Society. If you want the link, I can send you her way. But this actually does last all day. It's a nice opaque coverage. You can see what that's doing, but it's a powder in encapsulated little balls, and then once they hit your skin, then they burst and you just spread them around. And I feel like applying it with the brush is the best way to get the best coverage. So again, you can snag this at half price when you purchase the BB cream. Love it! All right, now we're gonna go in with just a little bit of setting spray. And we're gonna just blend all of that and set it. Ladies, once we put our makeup on, we want it to last, right? Especially if you're putting your makeup on for a work day. Just put a little setting spray on and it'll help stay on all day. All right, now we're gonna go in with my favorite Timeless Face Sticks. Again, you can get these in a collection with Beauty Society. I've got a highlight, a blush, and a contour. All right, see how that just kind of gives the face a little dimension. I love it. And then we're going to go in with just a little bit of this highlight just to give the face a little bit of a sheen, make it look hydrated. That's all I do with that. And then I go in with a little bit of the blush. Always throw some on the lips, why not? So cute. All right, and then we're going to top it off with just one of our lip oils. Let's see, I think we're going to do Divine. I love this one. And then we're good to go, guys. Okay, so this one is Divine. These are the new lip oils with Beauty Society. Easy peasy. Look at that. I think, what, 5? It's okay to put yourself together, put a little face on, and you can do it very, very easily these days. The makeup is so easy to use. So again, I've got a $10 coupon for Beauty Society. I have a couple of those. First come, first serve. Snag your BB cream with Pomifera. There's 4 different shades. We'll find you the right shade. Just message me if you need help with that. When you snag this, you're going to be able to get the Conceal Powder to Cream Concealer for half price. All right, guys, I love ya. Have a great day. Bye. And then here is finished look. I haven't finished my hair, but finished look in the light. So you can see. All right, love ya. Have a great one. Bye.